After a long break, we're back. Last time on Random Odd Series, the Bloons were charging down the mountain, trying to make it to the monkeys' military base, but the magic was not kind to them. It burnt them to a crisp nugget of deliciousness, and the monkeys chomped down. But then, the all-powerful Omega rose up and like a bullet train rushed down the mountain. The wizards used everything in their power to try to destroy the Omega, but to no avail. The Omega, seemingly all-powerful, must not have fought one of his toughest battles yet. Today, the monkey stronghold. More than 100 robot monkeys. They were born in a harsh environment, given up by their parents, unloved. The monkeys were put through rigorous, painful, horrific training, killing off all of what didn't make the cut. What's left was a small group of elite trained monkeys. But that is not what you see today. The monkeys' military experiments led to a hybridization of monkeys and technology. Against the elite warriors' will, they destroyed part of their brain that leads to critical thinking. All that's left is the will to kill. These robo-monkeys, some of the most powerful elite warriors in the universe, will now have to face off with the Omega. Who will win one of the most epic battles in history? This has never been seen before. The Omega is spawning Bloons! He's spawning BFBs! How is this even possible? Now we know how Bloons are born. But maybe if we can cut off the head of the snake, the rest of the body will die. The monkeys have fission reactors in each one of their arms and can each aim indirectly with the power of nuclear energy. They will radiate, burn, and destroy every single Bloon on the screen. This hopefully will include the Omega, but the Omega pushes on, seemingly unfazed by the power of all these elite warriors. Will they have the power to take him down? He's getting to the very end! We've got billions of degrees of power here! What the heck is the Omega made of? How can he take this kind of punishment and keep moving forward? If he keeps pushing through like this, what will we have left that could possibly kill the Omega? Maybe he really is the most powerful being in the